I've come to talk with you again.
Oh, shit.
White man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes. He killed our creed. He took our game for his own need. We fought him hard.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy body and your ass looks soft. Mind if I touch it and see if it's...
Can we do more kazoo?
See them tumbling down, pledging.
These guys, and they're trying to load an excavator onto like a boat, and it's just like the excavator keeps like dipping a little bit into the water, and like it's like pulling the boat down, and you're like, oh, I think they're gonna make it, and then like people start falling in the water, and you're like, oh, geez, and then like the excavator just like gets in the boat, and the boat starts half sinking, and you're like, oh shit, what? And then the excavator turns around and like grabs the land to like bring it back on land, which makes it sink more, and you're like, oh my god! And then the whole fucking boat just sinks immediately, and then like the excavator arms like going crazy trying to do something about.
And his name is John C.
You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope dealer money. He was getting some coins. Was in shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace.
Albatross. I'm an albatross.
America's best aerobic athlete.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping.
I'll say. Now stand back, I gotta practice my stabbing.
No, please, help, stop it, please.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad when they're out.
I gotta poop! 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 Move! My belly hurts so bad, and now I gotta climb the stairs. Oh!
some more chicken, have some more